y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing this 24-inch water wave wig from Nadula hair. This unit is a 7x5 HD BlendAway pre-cut closure wig. Since this unit already came fully pre-customized, all I have to do is start with the install process. To install this lace, I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active Lace Glue, and I'm applying 2 layers of that glue. I love the fact that this unit already came fully pre-customized, so I didn't have to worry about bleaching the wig, plucking the knots, or cutting the lace. It makes the install process so much easier. Once you notice that the glue is tacky, that's when you want to go in and lay your lace down. Even with a closure wig, I still like to lay my lace down in sections, starting with the middle section, and then I work on the sides. Applying my lace this way really helps me to ensure that the lace is fully glued down, and I really get to focus on the little details in each section. I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to glue this lace down. I'm using my edge brush to pull any unnecessary hairs away from the hairline. Then I'm going to go in with the Bedhead Masterpiece adhesive spray and spray a small amount of that spray onto my hairline for that melted lace look. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. And I really didn't even need to use a lot of product for this step because the actual lace itself blended so well with my skin tone. To ensure that you get that natural melted lace look, you do not want to skip this step. I have my elastic band on and I'm using my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm doing this step for about 5 minutes. Then I keep my elastic band on for an extra 5 to 10 minutes without the blow dryer. Now it's time to style and define these curls. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my detangling brush and brushing from the bottom and then working my way up to the top to prevent any tangles. As I was brushing the hair, I did notice some shedding. It wasn't excessive shedding, but it was a decent amount of hair left over on the brush. As far as how the hair feels, this hair was actually really soft. It was really easy for me to brush right through the hair with no problems. The next product I'll be using is this Aussie detangler, and honestly this step is optional. I'm just using it really because the detangler smelled really good. Now I'm going in with a spray bottle filled with water, and I'm applying a generous amount of that water throughout the hair. Now I'm going in with the Doe Mousse Def Foam and applying that throughout the hair as well. I really like this mousse and it really helps to define my curls, but using this mousse plus the Coconut Curls OGX cream will really help your curls go from a 5 to a 10. And when it comes to defining your curls, it really helps to do this process in sections. product I'll be using for this process is the Aussie oil, and this helps to really bring out the moisture in the curls. Then you want to go in and scrunch your curls upwards for that defined fluffy curl look. Then you want to repeat that same exact process to the other side of the wig. Now that the hair is defined, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. For my edges, I really didn't want to do too much, especially since it is a closure wig. So I just pulled out a small amount of hair and I used my mousse to swoop it. Lastly, I went in with my hot comb to make sure that the top of my wig was nice and flat. So here is the final look. I really do like it. It is nothing like a good water wave unit, especially when the lace is actually a good, decent HD lace, and the quality of the hair is pretty good as well. Here is how the back of the unit look. The density of this unit is 180%, and it definitely gives off 180% density. I really like this 7-inch parting space. I just love the parting spaces because it gives the wig a very natural look. And it also gives you the opportunity to be more versatile with styling your wig. Since this unit is a 7x5 HD closure unit, you are able to do a side part. You can even do a half up, half down as well if you really know how to manipulate the lace. I'm honestly very satisfied with the outcome of this unit. I feel like the hair itself is definitely good quality hair. The curls are beautiful and the lace might be my favorite thing about this unit. The way that it blended so seamlessly with my skin tone, I really don't have any complaints. Comment down below on how you like this unit. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video.